Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in online on Lufthansa. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type lufthansa.com, and it's going to take you right into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get in there, check the top right corner and follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to check in online on Lufthansa. Now, for you to do that, in this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have three tabs, which include Book and Prepare. You have My Bookings, you have Discover, Lufthansa. Now go ahead and click on My Bookings. Once you click on My Bookings, it takes you right here. We have these two categories, which include Manage and Extra Services. Now on the Manage, you have check-in, you have flight status, you have Manage Bookings, you have seat reservations, you have Rebook, cancellation and refund, you have passenger receipts, and delayed and damaged baggage. Now go ahead and click on check-in. Once you click on check-in, it's going to take you right into this window. Now it says you can check in online from 30 hours before departure. And then you have a form that you need to fill out here, which is your booking reference or ticket number. If you want to use that, or you want to use TAR operator level, you can check in using the TAR operator level or your booking reference or ticket number. So over here, enter your booking reference or ticket number, which you're going to find in the confirmation mail sent to you. So enter your booking reference or ticket number here, then enter your first name and enter your last name. And once you're done, go ahead and click on confirm. It's going to take you through step-by-step processes involved in the check-in process. So that's just pretty much it. So go ahead and click on confirm and follow the step-by-step processes. If you need to add anything, if you need to make changes, if you need to make changes to your flight, or if you need to just add anything to your flight, just follow the step-by-step processes during the check-in, and you will be good to go. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.